courtroom smelled faintly of old paper and arrogance. Rows of strangers whisper behind their masks of curiosity as Marsha Lane, a 34-year-old single mother, clutched a folder of documents against her chest. She'd been up all night ironing her only formal blouse, rehearsing every line she'd say. This was her final plea to keep custody of her 8-year-old son, Eli. Across the aisle sat her ex-husband, Daniel Lane, a man in an expensive Navy suit whose charm could melt through any argument except truth. He had one of the city's best lawyers. She had herself. When the bailiff announced, "All rise," Marsha's hands trembled. Judge Ronald Pierce entered, tall, gray-haired, with a stare that had reduced defendants to dust. His robe rustled as he Saturday. "Let's proceed," he said, adjusting his glasses. Case number 2247, Lane versus Lane. Custody hearing. Daniel's lawyer stood immediately. "Your Honor, my client is seeking full custody on the grounds of instability and lack of financial capacity by the mother." Marsha rose quickly. "That's not true, Your Honor. I've kept every payment, every school record." The judge raised a hand. "Ms. Lane, you'll have your turn." She sat down. Her throat burned. Daniel's lawyer began listing every weakness he could find. Her late rent payments, her part-time job, the small apartment she just barely secured. When Marsha's turn finally came, she stood with a deep breath.